So we remove these clips right here, like a total of 11 clips. A bunch of these. Use the pry bar or pry tool. And once you're done, you just take it out, put it to the side. And we gotta remove this little cover. Start on one side, go from there. Next, we remove one clip here. It's attached here, like wedged in. Once removed, you just slightly pull. It's kind of, there you go. This is holding it in a little bit. And then on the edge, it's just wiggle. It should wiggle out. There you go. Need to have. That's a piece right here removed. All right, next step, I turned the wheel inward. I removed the screw right there. One up here, I don't think it really needs to be removed up there. But 3 at the bottom, down here, 10 millimeters. And then I used this little guy with a 10 millimeter socket. It's a 1/4 inch to remove the bottom lower headlight bolt, which would be located right here next to this bracket. And if you can see, this is a headlight lower bracket going down, and it goes to here and it's attached to this. So that's already unbolted, ready to go. Once you're done, just continue to the top. So we're here at the top. There is a bolt here. Looks pretty rusty on mine. Another one on top here, and a third one up there. Let's go ahead and remove those. All right, the bolts are fully removed. Headlight should be loose already. Just a little, gotta pry it up a little bit here. There you go. There it is. Just gotta unplug everything. And that is the bracket right here, lower portion of that holds the headlight. Let's go ahead and unplug. Okay, so we got the new headlight here. I left the plastic on just for protection before I get it on. So the company makes it really simple. It's just plug and play. Everything's ready to go. No dicing, cutting, or anything. It just goes here. Boom. And just ready for install. I'm gonna do some testing before, just make sure everything's okay, and go ahead and install it back on. All right, it's on. I just gotta bolt it down, but before I do that, I wanna test the lights, make sure everything's functioning. This is the key fob that's working. Okay, I'll do the headlights now. All right, that's just the running lights. That looks good. Let's do the headlights. And those are the headlights. Everything's working like it should. Let's finish the install. All right, so I'm done with the passenger side headlight. They look beautiful. It look nice versus the originals. Light output looks like it's really strong. I gotta test it out at night still. But quality-wise, it looks way better than the originals. These look really messed up. You can't really tell. But yeah, they're all good. And this right here, this is the same way you took it out. You just wedge it in. If you guys get confused, that's fairly simple. You just gotta pop it in and make sure it clips on, and then that's it. And put the covers back on, and same thing with the driver's side, and continue on. One thing I forgot to mention, these have the adjustable leveling for the headlights adjustments. That's 2 of them. So I'm guessing it's high and low, or high actually, high and low, and left to right. That's what it should be. So that's pretty cool. perfection. I'll go off-road right here onto the dirt. See right there, that's the cutoff line. Hit the high beam, boom, expand. It's super dark out here, so I'll turn off the lights just so you guys can see. That's day running lights stay on, but that's how dark it is. Let me get outside. Let's turn on the lights. It's like hard to focus on it because it's so bright. I just dimmed it. Yeah, light output is 10 out of 10. See the line? Once I go up on the street, you can see it fall. That's all. Cut off line. So bright it like messes up the focus, but that cutoff line is perfect. I adjusted it so it's adjustable. Before they were like aiming up here, and quick adjustment clockwise, which is like tightening, that brings down the beams. So can still play around with the adjustments if I don't like it, maybe raise it up a little higher or so, but pretty good and easy. So far I like them. Good addition for the 4Runner.